We have already learned a sentence has three parts. There is a subject, verb, and an object. Now, I am going to put down few sentences for you to pick out the subject, the verb, and the object. And that will help you to recollect what you have already learned. Okay. Pick out the subject, the verb, and the object. So we are going to pick out the subject, the verb, and the object from the given sentences. Okay. First one, we won the match. First, I'll write down all the sentences for you. You kicked the ball. You kicked the ball. And the next one, the dog bit the boy. The dog bit the boy. Next, we have another sentence. Horses, the horse ate grass. And finally, she cooked the food. Now, these are all sentences, beginning with the capital letter, ending with the full stop. All the 6 sentences begins with the capital letter. All these 5 sentences ends with the full stop. We are going to pick out which is the subject, which is the verb, and the object. As we learned earlier, the subject normally begins the sentence. The verb follows the subject. And finally, at the end, you will find the object. What has the subject done to the object with the picking or breaking or kicking, whatever it is? Now, let's look at it. We won the match. We. So we will write S for the subject. Okay? We. Won. That is the action word. And that's a verb. And what did you win? What did we win? We won the match. Match is the object. So this is the object. So we found the subject. We all played the match. Verb, won. We won it. Object, the match. Now, you kicked the ball. You is the subject. What did you do? Kicked. The action kicked. And that's the verb. And ball is the object. What did you kick? The ball. So the ball is the object. So you got the subject, you, object, ball, verb, kicked. And here you have the dog. The dog is the subject. What did the dog do? Bit. This is the verb. And you have the boy, object. And in this case, you have the horse eats grass. Horse is the subject. What did the horse eat? What did he do? The horse eats. What is he eating? Grass. So you have your verb, and finally, this is the object. Last we have, she cooked the food. She is the subject. Cooked is the action she's doing. What did she cook the food? So you have she is the subject. Cooked, you have the verb. You have food is the object. Now look at all the sentences. The sentences begin with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. Every sentence has a subject. We, you, dog, horse, and she. They are all the subjects. They are all doing some action. They're playing a game, they're winning. You, what is you subject doing? Kicking, the dog, biting, the horse, eating, she, cooking. Action is being done by the subject. Now, what is the object? What did we to get the match? What did they do? They won the match. They had to win there to play. So the match. Who did you kick? The ball. Dog. Who did the dog bite? The boy. What did the horse eat? The grass. What did she cook? Food. So you have objects, the match, ball, boy, grass and food.